Hello everyone, welcome to the Microsoft Word application course. In this video we will be discussing further the graphics and design by focusing on two topics. One will be rotating and flipping objects, something we already discussed briefly about, and the other one would be ordering the position of objects in text. We'll show you what orders means, and at the end of the video you will be able to understand what they mean. So I open our practice document. So in order to rotate object, what you do is click on the object and you will see a lot of handles that appears. Most importantly, you will see this one. So you can click on that handle and move in the direction you want. So I'm gonna click on it and hold the mouse, and I can rotate it the way I want with my mouse. Okay, so that's one way to do it. So I will just leave it in this position. Another way is that you can go to shape format menu, and I think you can look for the rotate, and again we maximize, and this is the rotate, and if you drop down arrow you can see rotate 90 degrees, and you see if I click this, see what happens, huh? It moves. And if I go again, rotate left, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and you can also go to more options where you can type in how you want to do that, but we will not go into this. So we will just simply do rotate 90, rotate 90 to the left. Again, keeps changing it. Otherwise you can just use the handle here and do what you want. Same applies to this. So we select this, shape format, rotate 90. See, that's very clear. Again, and rotate, flip. It flips it upside down, the other way around. Flip horizontal. Not sure what happened there, but you can do that more and more to rotate your shapes. So that's about rotating shapes. So you can do that to any shape you want. The next thing we want to talk about is suppose you want to have a text in front of an object. So let's say we move this down and you want to have this, let's say this guy. I'm going to move it and I will place it in front of the text. So now you see it's covering the text. Now I can issue some commands in Word to bring the text that is behind this object to the front such that you can see both. To do that means I can't see the text, but I can see the object. So I will select the object, which means I need to send the object behind the text. So to do that, I will click shape format, and under arrange you have send backwards, and if I click the arrow down, say send it behind text, and there you can see. Okay, and I can click the object again and I can do the same shape format, and I can say bring forward, bring in front of text. Okay, so that's how you can move text, object behind text and in front. Now you can do that for also two objects. So let's adjust this guy and let's bring this one. So I put that object behind this, so it's behind, you can't see it. So but I can bring it in front because I already selected it, so you can see that. Okay, and if I click outside, it's difficult to select what is behind, so you can only select what is in front for now. So I will move this one aside. I will take this one, I will move it in there because I want to bring it to the front, and for some reason it's behaving differently. Okay, let's do this. I will cover this up. Anyway, it's not going as we want. Let me undo. I will go back to the position I was. There we are. So now the rectangle is in front, I will move it behind the other shape. So I select it, shape format, send backwards. Now by the way, you can say send to back or send backward. Send backward does the trick, and if I say bring forward, it also does the trick. The only difference is that one of them, I think send backward does it step at a time, and this send it immediately to the back, you know. So if you have multiple shapes, for example, so let's put all those shapes together. Put this one. Now I want the other text to be in front. Okay, so let me I want the line shape to be in front, so I will say bring to front, bring forward. You see, I click it once, it doesn't come. I click it twice, it doesn't come. That's because it's behind multiple objects, and when you click bring forward, it just does it one step at a time. But if you want it to come in front in one go, just click bring to front. If you want it to go to back, in one go, then just go to send to back and say send backwards and send to back. This will only take it backward one step at a time, one object behind at a time. So this sends it directly to the back. And for you to know whether that is true, I will try to bring it forward, and it doesn't come immediately. But if I bring it to the front, it comes immediately. So this is how you can arrange text and things like that, and that's how you work with this. So thank you for listening to the video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you in the next lesson.